Howdy folks, this is Crypto Willis from CryptoChangeX.com. Today we're going to talk about how to create or mint your own NFT. If you don't have extensive knowledge or you're not an expert in how NFTs work or how to create them, then you're in good hands because today I'm going to go over everything you need to know to start making a side income with your NFTs. Unfortunately, I've seen a ton of videos online that are incredibly misinformed and some of them flat out wrong. But today I'm going to detail a step-by-step blueprint on how you can create or mint your own NFT and sell it. Probably you've seen other artists around the world making literally thousands of dollars selling their own NFTs. Whether you create music, art, or videos, you can get your piece of the NFT pie. Now, before we get started, let me clue you in on three things that we need to be aware of on the onset. The first thing is you'll see a lot of these NFT marketplace websites that promote the illusion that it's free to create and sell your NFT. Unfortunately, that's just not quite the reality. If you've spent any time in the NFT space, you've no doubt heard of gas fees. So what is crypto gas? In simplified terms, it's merely a transaction fee. For example, when you connect your NFT and wallet to the Ethereum blockchain, you'll be charged a fee. This fee covers the cost of computer processing power that's required to process your transaction. This usually is a one-time fee of somewhere between $50 and $300. The second thing you need to be aware of is services like Opensea will charge you a 2.5% fee every time you sell an NFT. And the third thing I want you to know is Opensea allows you to set a royalty commission of up to 10%. And that way, every time someone else sells your NFT, you can receive a commission. I hope the information I share today will be helpful to you in fulfilling your dream and turning your passion into a side income. But before we get started with the step-by-step process, help me out by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. That way you can get more quality content like this on crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs. With that, let's get started. The first thing to creating your NFT is selecting a marketplace. Now, there are a lot of different NFT marketplaces available, but the one I highly recommend is called Opensea. I'll leave a link in the description. At the time of this recording, Opensea is probably the most popular NFT exchange. There are hundreds of thousands of users on the Opensea, both creating and selling NFTs. In my opinion, Opensea is also the easiest platform to configure and create your NFT. Step number 2 is that you need to set up a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is simply where you hold your crypto assets like Ethereum, for example. Additionally, this is where your profits will be sent every time you make a sale. There are numerous wallet options available. When it comes to crypto wallets, I recommend a two-step approach. First, have an online wallet like Coinbase, which is the wallet that I use and recommend. Second, keep the coins that you're not actively trading or spending in an offline hardware wallet such as Ledger. You can create your wallet simply by going to your phone and downloading the Coinbase app, or you can install the Coinbase extension on your computer browser. Then all you need to do is simply set up an account. You will need to be prepared to create and securely store your wallet key. Without your key, you'll not be able to access your wallet, nor will your wallet provider be able to help you get access should you lose it. Your access key is yours and yours alone. Make sure you store it in a safe place. Step number 3. Now that you have a wallet, you will need to connect your wallet to Opensea. Once you've created your account on Opensea, simply open your browser and access the Opensea page. On the Opensea homepage, press on Profile. There, you can select Coinbase, for example, or whatever wallet you have chosen. Then you'll be given the opportunity to connect your Coinbase wallet. You could also connect to Opensea through your Coinbase login. Either way works. The point is simply get the two accounts connected. Step number 4 is designing your NFT. Now, this is the fun part. Here you get to decide what message you want to send through your NFT. If you have music or physical art that you want to sell, you can present them as an NFT in this step. Now, I know some people that have had an idea but did not have the time to create it, so they simply hired someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do the creation for them. Regardless, this is the step where you get to use your creativity and showcase your talent. Really, the sky is the limit. Any of your creativity that can be digitalized can be sold as an NFT. The most popular NFTs right now are art, but you can create an NFT out of your videos, your music, or even your tweets. Step number 5. Now that you've digitized your creation, it's time to upload the file onto the Opensea platform. This step is quite simple. Simply go to your account page, then press My Collections. You will then be directed to a button that says Create a Collection. When you click Create a Collection, you will be asked to upload a logo image, a feature image, and a banner image. You will name your NFT and provide other optional information. During the listing process, you will have the opportunity to set creator earnings. These are the royalties that we talked about earlier that allow you to earn commissions when someone else sells your NFT. In the final steps of the upload process, you will set the blockchain that will support your NFT and set the price. Then you are ready to press the sell button. Congratulations! Now your NFT is listed for sale. Of course, now that you are an NFT creator, you will need to decide on a marketing plan to attract attention to your newly minted NFT. There are numerous ways to market your NFT, but we will cover those details in a later video. Let us know in the comments below where your NFT is listed. I'm interested to see your creations. Good luck until next time.